just like the street light.
We are going to learn how to add the CSS and how to connect the HTML and the CSS. So basically, we are having types of styles. So style is only one, but the way of writing is different. So it can be used as a inline styling, internal styling, and external styling. So we will check one by one how it will be there, how it works, and what is the difference between them, and what is the priority in between them. Also, that also it is important. So generally, what do you mean by CSS? So CSS in the sense cascading style sheet. So one thing is there that will be applied, means the styling will be applied to the body of the content, whatever the HTML you are going to write, to that we are going to apply the CSS. So we are having three ways of applying the style to the HTML. So first is internal styling. So internal styling, we will see how it works, and with the help of the styling attribute, we need to write this one. So I will add one thing. Suppose if I want to tell you one div, inside the div, I'm having one UL tag. Inside that li, inside this li, we are going to write something home or something else, or we will make one nav bar. So it will be little bit more good. So now inside this one, so I'm using the anchor tag. So because if I want to navigate from one page to another page, I can navigate easily. Contact us. Then we are having about page, and another one is something like help. So these are the things we are going to add inside our tab, and we will check how it will be looking previously after styling, how it will look. That also we will see. So we are, our port has been running, and now it has been worked. So we will see, you can see here this one, home, contact us, about, and help. It is getting rendered because we are using anchor tags. So anchor tags help us to navigate from one page to another page. So I will add inline styling. So inline styling in the sense, so in the same line we need to add the style. So in this style we need to add the things, like suppose if I want to add something like I want to give the height of 200 pixel. 200 pixel is little bit more. I will make it as 150, because header in the sense it will be little bit less, and the width in the sense 100%. 100% in the sense it will take entire screen, whatever the screen size may be. Then after that we will apply one background color, so that it is working or not you will get to know. Background color, okay. Next, it is having, already it is in display flex because it is a inline styling. Then we will see what are the things, I will explain one by one. So flex properties are there, and display properties, and many more things, lot of things are there. I will get to know how it works, but basically I will start from height and width, and I will tell you how it works. So I have given the height. So the styling has been applied, so I will make more attractive later, but I will try to teach you how it works. So in this viewport, we have seen one yellow in the one light yellow color is there, something like on orange, something orange yellow, whatever the color may be. That color is getting applied, and with whatever the height we have provided, based on that height, it is getting triggered. So height we have given as 100 pixel, and we will come to the pixels also, means in the sense units. Unit is also one of the concepts, and it is the most interview asked question, what are the different types of units are there in CSS. So they are having some types, more than 8 to 10 are there, but generally we will use 5 to 6 only. So I will explain one by one how it works and what are the use cases of this one. And here the styling has been applied. If I write the same style inside one style attribute, so I will copy this one, or else I will leave it like this only. Inside the head tag, what we need to do, we need to write the style here. Inside this style, whatever the things is there, I will remove this one, and I will add one class or ID. So class in the sense I will have nav bar, something like I will write, and I will copy this one. And this is the case sensitive in the sense, whatever you are going to write, that should be same inside this one. If you are writing capital or small, something like this, then it will be not applied. So For the class, whatever you are writing, it is represented by the dot inside the style part. So inside this one, height is to 100 pixel and width is to 100%, background color qua. Okay, now we will see this one. So here the classes are being applied, and this is the border color is being applied. So I will change this one to background color. So here you can see this one background color has been applied, and what was that previous background color? So border color in the sense the edge of the this one, whatever the edge is there on the end side end points, that is known as the border. So we will see that one also, how that will work in background color, and many more things are there in this one CSS properties. We will read one by one. So you now you can see this one. I have applied the styling inside this one and inside the head tag. So this is the another way. So basically we will not use, suppose if it is a little bit small page, then we will use this one to avoid the extra pages. Suppose and I will copy the same thing only, and I will remove this one, and I will save. And after this one, inside the CSS property, I will add the things, and we will come back and we will link the page href in the sense dot slash we need to add style.css, and we will discuss about how what is the difference between CSS and SCSS. Many times you have been seen that SCSS also being used. So okay, I will make this color as um, brown. Okay, now you can see this one. The color is not good, but just I wanted to show this one how it will work. Suppose if I want to override this one, then how we can override? In the sense, the priority I have said this one in here. Priority, the first priority is given to the inline styling. So inline styling inside this one, suppose if I write style is to background color is to aqua. If I write like this, already we have given the style is brown. But still I am writing here style background color is to aqua. Means I'm changing the color brown to aqua. So what will be now? So it will be the aqua, because this one priority will be little bit more compared to this one. And second priority is inside this one. If we write the style, it will be the second priority, and the third priority is the style. Means external styling. So you will get you got to know this what are the priorities. So inline styling is the first priority, internal styling is the second priority, and external styling is the third priority. This is the main thing you need to remember, because these are the basics of the CSS. As a beginner, you should know this one, and we will come to the selectors, and a lot of things are there. So what is the difference between this one inline styling, internal styling, external styling? You got to know, and use cases of this one is also a little bit more. And for this one, instead of being applying class and style directly, we can use this one. Means in the sense, you don't need to write here style or else this one different cases are there. So here one bootstrap and material UI and tailwind CSS, these are the libraries of the HTML, we can say, or the extensions for the HTML. By that, if you use this bootstrap or tailwind, by this one you can easily get more features of being attached, the styling, and lot of more things you will get to know there. Like if you know to no need to write the entire thing style background. You just need to write m2 in the sense margin 2 pixel 2 rem. It will take, means root element, a lot of things are there. I will teach one by one in a particular manner, so that you should not get confused and don't go too much faster. The thing is, whatever you are learning, learn properly one by one, so that you should know the things how it works. So don't make it as a just don't buy it, just understand the concept. And here nothing logic is there, it's just a simple thing, and not a complex also. So try to make good things. So next we will see in the next video.